Everyone, I am going to discuss about integrator and differentiator circuit. Integrator circuit produces output voltage, output voltage, output which is integral of the input voltage over the range of time. So its equation seems like output voltage V out is equal to integration of V input with respect to time. So K is constant, any constant. Let's make circuit diagram of integrator. Here we give the input to the negative inverting phase, and this is our load resistance, and this is capacitor, and this side we get the output, and we make the non-inverting side to ground. So as there is virtual grounding between the positive and negative signal, so the voltage in the point X will be equal to the zero due to the virtual grounding. So as the current goes there, the current will not flow inside the op-amp due to high inside resistance. So the current IL and IC, the current IL is equal to IC due to KCL. IL means Vx minus V in by RL is equal to current through capacitor is equal to C change in the voltage between V out and Vx minus V out by dt. So as we know, Vx is equal to 0 and minus V in by RL load resistance C minus of dV out by dt. So V in by C equal to dV out dt as we this. So the final equation of V out equal to minus 1 by RL C integrable V in with respect to dt. So the V out is equal to, as we have earlier given a constant K, so the K is equal to minus 1 by R L C. 3. The circuit will help in the formation of a square, triangular waveforms. It also helps in the filtering the signal, filtering the input signal. So now we will see the differentiator. Differentiator circuit produces the output signal which is proportional to the rate of change of input signal. It means the V out is K dV in by dt. K be any constant. Now we will see the circuit diagram of the differentiator circuit. Here will be the input. As we have earlier discussed, this is the virtual grounding, so the Vx will be 0. Now the current through the resistor and the current through the feedback resistance will be same, because the current will not go inside the op-amp due to the high resistance. So IC will be equal to IF. Now IC is, as you know, the current through the capacitor is C, change in the voltage between the terminals of the capacitor, which is Vx minus V in by dt is equal to the difference of potential Vx and V out, Vx minus V out, and the resistance feedback. So as we know, Vx is 0, C 0 minus of V in by dt is equal to 0 minus V out by resistance feedback. So C V in by dt is equal to minus of V out by resistance feedback. Now we will see the output. So minus C RF V in by dt is equal to V out. So the value of K is equal to RF C. So it helps in detecting the sudden change in the signal, and it also helps also help in shaping of input signal.